Hello you guys, this is Fun Automotive and this is a video about the AUXITO fog lights that I have got sent to me. They are for my wife's WJ. Hers is a 1999. I'm sure they'll fit all the way to 2004 because they make it 99 to 04 body style WJs. And these things, man, they are great. They've been excellent for me. I've used them. They work really well in the rain, man. That white LED, I think it's 6000K. Excellent, excellent, excellent. And this is just a little review to show you guys all of that. I did buff the lenses here for you. I didn't buff them too well though. They're not very well buffed. They're the original lenses for these fog lights, but got them pretty good out. Got the fog pretty good and out for it to be pretty good and bright and clear. Let me show you this right now. These are just the ambers that are on. No headlights, no high beam or low beam because they have two separates per headlight. This is just the fog light right here. And man, let me tell you, these fog lights are great. As you can see, I'm getting lit up right now from the fog light. And these things are nice and bright. Let me get a turnaround for you and show you guys. Can't really see in there. It's not wanting to focus, but super bright. I really think you guys would love these. Just hit them up, AUXITO. I'll have the link for you in the description. These are great fog lights. They do make headlights also, you guys. I had the AUXITO headlight in my Jeep and I loved them. Such good quality. I highly recommend AUXITO. AUXITO, if you're seeing this, I'm sorry it's been so long. I've been so busy and man, it's been crazy, but I'm getting at it now. These fog lights right now, there is a horse trailer in the way, but on the regular road, man, they go far. Because out here, as you can see, it's pitch black. Pitch black out here. Literally nothing. So these fog lights, man, they really work. And especially with the headlights. The headlights are LED, and man, those suckers are super bright too. Let me give you a show with those. I don't think let me show you real quick. Let me show you guys. This is the LED headlights. Look at that, bright beams, really bright. I think that's excellent right there. Both 6000K, excellent headlights. I really think you guys would really love those. So again, man, AUXITO, thank you guys for hooking it up because I really appreciate this. I'm just sorry again, it's been so long for me since I have posted the review for the fog lights. I know you wanted me to get to that, and now I am. So you guys, really excellent. Look at the brightness, super bright. These aren't just, I've bought cheap fogs before. I've bought cheap fog lights before from eBay, and man, they were terrible fog lights. Whenever I turn them on, it probably only went like 6 feet in the front before it dimmed out and was to nothing. These AUXITO headlights or fog lights, sorry, they're super bright, and I really highly recommend them. They're almost as bright as my headlights are. And I think if you guys get them, you won't regret them. I had them in my Jeep Liberty also, and I had the headlights high and low in my Liberty also, which is one bulb per high and low because it's a single headlight. And the fogs, I've had them all for headlights and fog lights on my Liberty, and I highly recommend them. Being out on the trail late at night, it'll just brighten the whole trail. It'll be like I'm using a LED light strip on the roof that's just super bright. So I highly recommend these again. Please check out AUXITO. And this is Fun Automotive, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye.